second ever trip to Austin for the state tournament, taking on Dickinson in the first 4A city final. First half, Mackenzie Simon drops in the three-quarter, but the score was tied at the half at 31. Later in the third quarter, Shea Cooley Williams zips a pass to Tiffany Moore, but it was still tied after 3. Early in the fourth, we'll take you there now. Tara McAtee would convert on a tough three-point play. Very well done. Takes the contact and makes it 4-point lead for Frisco, 49-45. Dickinson comes back strong. LaShondra Johnson hits the three-pointer. Her team ahead by 3, 56-53. It was tied with about 25 seconds to go when Frisco missed a shot. The Gators grabbed the rebound. Johnson on the break. She scores, and Dickinson led 61-59. Frisco still had 7 seconds left, and Shea Cooley Williams dribbled through the defense, but the layup won't fall, and Frisco suffers a heartbreaking loss, 61-59.